Hello, today I'm representing Team 2 of the second stage of the key activity. My partners are Alfonso Virgen, Antonio Gutierrez, and Alejandro Hernandez. In this experiment, we're going to compare the effectiveness of different detergents. These detergents will vary between biodegradable and non-biodegradable. These detergents are also from different brands. We are going to apply the same amount of hibiscus water between 3 different pieces of cloth. Then we're going to let it dry for 5 minutes. After this time, the pieces of cloth are going to be exactly the same. But now we're going to apply the 3 detergents that you're seeing right here, and then we're going to apply the same exact amount of water, and we're going to let it dry for another 5 minutes. We're going to see if the detergents work in a different way or if they are the same. It is important that these 2 detergents are biodegradable, but this is a non-biodegradable, so this is an important aspect to consider. 1, 2, 3 detergent, bold, Foca. Then this cup with measurements, hibiscus water, and the pieces of cloth. Now I'm going to apply 1/4 of a cup of hibiscus water to each piece of cloth. And now we're letting them dry with the wind. Now that we let them dry, as you can see, the color is now like pink or red. So now we're gonna test if the detergents work in a different way. The first detergent that I'm gonna use is the Foca one. It's going to be 30 grams, and I'm gonna be washing it for 30 seconds, and I'm gonna be using 2 liters of water. I'm gonna set my timer. Now I'm gonna let it dry. There appears to be no difference between these 3 pieces of cloth. This is a bold that is non-biodegradable, 1, 2, 3 that is biodegradable, and this is Foca that is biodegradable. As you can see, there appears to be no difference, but this is both the non-biodegradable. The texture is very rough. It is very different comparing these 2 pieces of cloth. So the main difference here is texture. Now for the second test or the second experiment, we're going to do the exact same thing. The only difference is going to be the temperature of the water. So this is the same 2 liters of the bottle. So now I'll grab a bit and I'll put it in the stove. And now we pour this hot water into the rest of the water. So now the water should be hot. So now we'll make the same procedure with the hot water. So this is the 1, 2, 3 detergent, this is Foca, and this is bold. There's actually no difference between them. They're the same color and the same texture. But what did change is that the texture is so much smoother comparing them with the ones that were washed with cold water. So the texture did change in these 3. Thank you for watching this experiment.